Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can video screen record on your iPhone. Okay, to do that you can just scroll on the top right screen of your iPhone, and then you need to find this logo. It's the records logo manual. Just press on it and it will count down 3 2 1, and now it's recording your screen. Okay, you will see the red button here, and when you just want to stop record, just press that one, and now it stop record. Select on it and your record file will be stored to your photo. Okay, on the other hand, if you cannot find this logo, if you cannot find that logo, first of all just go to setting, and after that go to control center, and now you can see all the buttons that you can include it to your manual screen. For example, if you don't see this screen recording, it will stay on the button here. You can find out the record screen recording, just plus it to your manual, and after that you will see it on this location. And if you remove it, okay, remove, and you will find it disappear. Okay, you can also input another item, quick note and note or something, and then you will see all the menu will pop up to your screen. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can make screen record on your iPhone iOS 16.6. And please take note that all the function in this setting is the built-in inside this iPhone in the version I mentioned. Okay, and now let me say goodbye. Thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.